Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. We are at the very south of Cornwall. Land's End is the most southerly point, but you've got all of the south coast as well, like the Lizard, Constantine, all of that area, which I find really picturesque, and there's some great roads as well. So I thought, I've just had quite a busy afternoon, drinking lots of coffee, learning a lot. I've been on some barista courses because we're opening a new shop. I feel like my head's about to explode before the caffeine I've had. So I just thought after I finished, we finished a bit earlier than usual, I thought I'd just go for a blast while I'm over this way and bring you lot along. Another biker. Get on. I do like those little Dukes. Quite fancy one of them as like a runaround. I think summer's on the horizon as well, even though it is still January. Nights are starting to draw out now. What is it, 4 o'clock? A month ago at this time it was hella dark already, so it's kind of about 5, half 5 now when the sun properly sets. So you've got that extra hour of daylight, which is nice. Another good set of roads is down towards St Kevin, so that's where I'm going to go. Greek and Constantine down that way are really nice places, but it's just lanes and it's just basically farmers, so there's not really a lot of driving roads. There's quite a few open roads. It might be a bit windy today, but we'll go anyway. St Kevin, this is the way. Garras, good name. Trying to remember and second guess where these corners are because I've been out here for so long. I usually have my sat nav that I can glance down at, but took the bugger off to update and never put it back on. Ooh, he was flying. Makes it a bit more exciting, doesn't it? Oh, it's the old space station there. Wonder how much of it you can see. Look at that. I don't know if we can get any better views. Cornwall's NASA. That's probably the reason why that shuttle didn't go up. Something to do with us. Oh, there's a bigger one there, look at that. Can I go in and have a look? Probably going to get fucking told off here, but you know, look at that. Big old bits of kit, aren't they? Goonhilly, this place is called. Oh, look at that. U-turn. It's impressive. You imagine being on a sports bike here. Oh my god, you could do some speeds. I might go down this way. I don't know what these roads are like, but soon find out, won't we? Trabo. Another quality name. Ooh. One bit of advice for anyone coming down here, or if you ever find yourself on the south coast of Cornwall, this road down to Cornwalls is one way in, one way out. Don't try and get out of Cornwalls in this area going down the farm lanes, because you just do what I've just done. So it's down there and then back out this way, which is, it's quite nice though, because you get to see all of this again. got to invest in some heated gear. My Christ. If anyone's got any suggestions, please drop it in the comments, because I'd very much like some heated gloves, maybe a jacket or under jacket, because it's chilly as fuck down here. These roads are so fast, man. Good fun. Oh, I spy with my little eye something beginning with T up ahead. That's right, you all guessed correct. A tractor. Dum 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 dum. Board now. Always indicate. I'm really sorry guys, the tractor's ruined all the fun. And it doesn't look like it's going to change anytime soon. So I'm just going to leave it there. But if you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing a bit more Cornish antics and some more Cornish roads and beyond, hit the subscribe button. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao for now. Actually, there's a helicopter. See that? Big old boy. Yeah, I'm going now. Haha, bye bye.